Hello students, today in this video we are going to discuss about Unit 6. Unit 6 name is the general principles of isolation of metals. Okay, so this is also called metallurgy in one word. So let's get started. First of all, we know that many elements are found in the earth's crust. Okay, so some elements like carbon, sulfur, gold, etc. These are found in native state. Native, or you can also say it that is free state. They are found in free state because they are very less reactive. Okay, and some elements like potassium, sodium, fluorine, chlorine, etc. These are found in combined state. So these elements are very reactive, that is why they are found in combined state. Okay, so they are combined as their oxides, their sulfides, halides and carbonates, etc. So for getting the exact pure metal, it involves some steps. Before that, we would know about the terms, that is metallurgy and ore, mineral and ore. So what are minerals and ores? So as we had discussed earlier that the elements are found in their combined state or free state. So naturally occurring substances from where we can get the metal, the naturally occurring substances, these are known as minerals. Okay, so many minerals are found in earth crust, but all the minerals are not very convenient to get the desirable metal. So the mineral from which we can get the metal easily and conveniently, that is known as ore. Okay, so there are some few minerals from which we can get the ore, we can get the metal easily and conveniently. That kind of mineral is known as ore. Okay, so we can say that all minerals are ore. Okay, all, exactly not, but we can say that all ores are minerals. All ores are mineral because we are getting the few kind of minerals from which we can get the desirable metal. So these ores are obviously they are minerals, but all minerals are not ore. So all minerals are not ore because we cannot get the desirable metal from all the minerals conveniently and easily. So this is about minerals and ores. Next one, we would talk about the extraction of the metal from their ore. Actually it involves some steps. So let's discuss about these steps. The first one is crushing. The first step is crushing. It is also known as grinding. So grinding or crushing of the material, or you can say the minerals. Okay, and the next one is, so crushing, it involves the powdering of the substance. So if after we can get the powder of that substance, we can get the concentration of the material. Concentration means the cleaning up. So next one is concentration. Okay, and the third one is isolation of metal from its ore. So every metal has its specific kind of ore from which we can, it can be get. Okay, so isolation of metal from its ore, it is the third step. And next one is, and it is, you can say this is the last one, that is purification. So purification is the last one. Okay, so in this video we had discussed that some elements, some metals or some elements, you can say some elements are found in native state or free state in nature because they are very less reactive, like carbon, sulfur, silver, gold, etc, etc. And some are very high reactive, that is potassium, sodium, fluorine, chlorine, etc. These are found in combined state because they are very highly reactive elements. Minerals, naturally occurring substances from which we can get the metal. These are known as minerals. So these minerals are combined with undesirable substances, that is also known as gangue. So in these steps we just clean up that gangue, that undesirable substances. And ore, as we had discussed, all minerals are not ore. Why it is so? Because from all minerals we cannot get the metal easily and conveniently. That is why some few specific minerals from which we can get the ore easily and conveniently, that is known as ore. So we can say that all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ore. And the extraction of metals, it involves few steps. That is, first one is crushing to make it powder, and next one is concentration, the cleaning up, and the third one is isolation of metal from its ore, and the last one is purification. We will discuss about these steps one by one in my next video. Till then, thank you.